Welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of PVC skirting boards. If you're looking to give your space a sleek and practical makeover, you're in for a treat. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about PVC skirting, including its remarkable features, numerous benefits, wide array of styles, how to install them, how they compare to other skirting options, and compelling reasons why PVC skirting is the perfect choice for your space. Let's kick things off by exploring the fantastic features that make PVC skirting boards a standout choice for your space. Durability: PVC skirting boards are built to last, resistant to damage from moisture, impact, and wear. Say goodbye to cracking, chipping, or warping as PVC stands strong. Easy maintenance: PVC is a breeze to clean. A simple wipe down keeps it looking fresh. No need for repainting or refinishing, reducing long-term costs. Aesthetic versatility: a wide range of colors and styles to choose from, matching any interior design. Achieve a sleek, finished look that complements your space's aesthetic. Seamless finish: PVC skirting boards provide a smooth transition between your walls and flooring, concealing gaps and imperfections. Create a polished and complete look in any room. Hygienic and waterproof: PVC is moisture resistant, making it perfect for areas prone to spills or high humidity. It's a breeze to clean, ideal for spaces where hygiene is crucial. Easy installation: PVC skirting boards are lightweight and easy to handle, simplifying installation. A perfect DIY project or a quick job for professionals. PVC skirting boards come in a variety of types to suit your unique needs and preferences. Here are some popular options. Plain PVC skirting: a simple and elegant choice that complements various interior designs. It provides a clean and unobtrusive finish to your space. Decorative PVC skirting adds a touch of flair with decorative patterns and textures. Ideal for spaces where you want to make a design statement. Cable management skirting combines functionality with aesthetics, offering concealed channels for wiring. Perfect for modern offices or tech-savvy homes. Let's go through the installation process. Use a miter box and saw to cut the PVC skirting to the required length and angles. Attach to the wall, apply a strong adhesive to the back of the skirting board. Press it firmly against the wall, making sure it's level and secure. Fill gaps and finish: fill any gaps or seams with PVC filler. Let's take a moment to compare PVC skirting boards to other common options like wooden and MDF skirting. PVC vs. wooden skirting: PVC is moisture resistant and won't warp, while wooden skirting can swell and deteriorate in damp conditions. PVC skirting is lower maintenance and doesn't require periodic refinishing like wood. PVC vs. MDF skirting: MDF skirting boards are not as water resistant as PVC, making them less suitable for bathrooms or kitchens. Enhanced appearance: achieve a polished and sophisticated look by concealing gaps and imperfections in your walls and floors. Enhance the overall aesthetics of your space with the sleek finish PVC skirting provides. Water resistant: PVC skirting is ideal for moisture-prone areas such as bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. Easy installation: whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer professional installation, PVC skirting is a straightforward choice. You'll have your space looking great in no time. That brings us to the end of our ultimate guide to PVC skirting boards. Whether you're seeking durability, aesthetic versatility, or easy maintenance, PVC skirting has got it all. Don't miss the opportunity to give your space that finish, seamless look it deserves. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more informative videos from Fixing Expert. We'll catch you in the next one, where we explore even more ways to transform your space. Until then, take care.